We're Immobiliser fitting. This is a Halo Mini with total kill on a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. So this system has tracking, remote immobilisation. If someone copied this key, done a relay attack, went to start the vehicle up, it's going to start, but as soon as they pop it into gear, you're going to see it cut out. Vehicle's going nowhere. So for the customer, all they've got to do is put a simple code in. So they start the car. For now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive a flash from the indicators, and we can drive away. Say the worst happens, someone pulls you out of the vehicle while you're driving it, the system's disarmed, they've got your key, they've driven the vehicle off. To do with this, go into the app, see where the vehicle is with tracking, obviously zoom in, find out exactly where it is. If someone had this vehicle, you told them the code, so the system was disarmed, or they dragged you out the vehicle, see it's running at the minute, we send the remote immobilisation command, and when this vehicle comes to a standstill for a few seconds, vehicle's not moving, they go to drive off, vehicle cuts out. So this is the remote immobilisation of the Halo Mini with total kill. As you'll see now, it no longer accepts the code. As soon as they try to drive away, the vehicle cuts out, so it's not going any further. The only way to recover this vehicle and have it accept the code, so if you see at the minute, we've got our double flash show, it's armed. However, it was already armed because we sent the remote immobilisation. If we try now, you'll see the code is not accepted. We don't get a flash, the vehicle's going to stall. The only way to recover this is to go into our app, immobilisation off, see the command sent, and only now will it accept the code. So we'll just try again, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive our flash, we're good to drive the vehicle. This is the Halo Mini with total kill. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. As you see, as soon as we turn the ignition off, the vehicle becomes armed. The system's immobilising the vehicle. If someone grabbed your key as soon as you hopped out, it's going nowhere. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Customer can choose their own code between 3 and 21 presses and also has an unlimited service mode. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.